welcome back. So I walked out this morning and I'm a little mad because the deer ate a lot of my grapevine and all of my carrots. So that's great. That's awesome. But we are gonna fully fence the garden this weekend because I cannot mentally deal with the anxiety of the deer eating all of my things. But that's not why I'm here. Guys, I did it. I finally did it. I achieved a goal that I set for myself like 5 years ago when I started gardening. And what is that, you may ask? I started every single seed, every single plant in this garden behind me, every herb in the front of my house, I started from seed in my basement. And it's all thriving, besides what the deer ate, because nature. Anyway, doing that saved me over $830 just this year. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Welcome to the front of my house. Here I've got some cilantro, basil, some flowers, all the good stuff, as I almost break things. I thought I'd run you guys through about how much things would cost if we went to Home Depot to buy it. So I've got about 4 cilantro plants, and at Home Depot it would be between $8 and $9 a plant. So 4 plants, $8 and $9 a plant, that's roughly $36. I've got 14 basil plants because, well, I'm addicted. They run between $6.50 and $7. Do the math. That times 14 is roughly $91 in just basil. So let's go check out the rest. This is all of the parsley that I started this year. The pack did say to direct sow it, so I dumped the entire pack of seeds into my garden bed. I probably have around 12 plants, maybe more than that. I'm not really sure. But I did look on Home Depot's website, and it was $6.25 per plant. And if I have about 10 to 12 plants, that's over $75 in parsley alone. These are my dill and my Crocs. The dill costs $7 a piece at Walmart, so 1, 2, 3, 3 times 7, $21. These are my cucumber plants. I've got about 10 of these scattered throughout the yard. They're in a cage because the squirrels, they like to dig them up. Anyway, Home Depot has these bad boys for $4 a piece. And do the math, $4 times 10 plants, that's $40. These are my 40 tomato plants. That might be excessive, but I feel like I need them, and they're an addiction. So Home Depot has these for $8 a piece. 8 times 40, that's $320 for all of these tomato plants. What's up? These are all my pepper plants. I've got about, 20 of them. Home Depot's website, each plant, $6.50. Do the math. It's about $155 worth of plants. Just pepper plants. Also, my neighbor thinks I'm crazy right now because I'm just kind of laying in my garden bed, and he's just in his driveway. This is my garlic. I have about 80 bulbs of garlic, and if you go on, not Home Depot, but Walmart's website, they have it for 71 cents per bulb. If you do the math, that's about $56 just of garlic. I've also factored in that I've got about $100 worth of just flowers, other miscellaneous things in my garden, like carrots, green beans, flowers, just some experimental things. So if I were to have bought that at Home Depot, it probably would have been an additional $100. These are all my onions. I've got probably 20 or 30 bulbs of onions, and if you go to Walmart's website, that's between, $9 and $12. So onions, you could grow, you don't have to. You can buy it at the store. I take pride in growing all my own stuff when I can. So I've shown you how much things cost at Home Depot, and I've shown you the things that are in my garden that I have. Let's find out where I get my seeds to start all these things. So the goal was to plant every single thing in my garden straight from seed that I started in my basement. And the first thing that helped me do that was this. This is the whole seed catalog from Baker Creek Seeds. It has every single seed that you could ever imagine. It's massive. So this was the first thing that helped me achieve my goal. And why I went with Baker Creek was because they are located an hour to an hour and a half away from where I grew up. They're located in Mansfield, Missouri. They are a Missouri company, and I love supporting them. Another reason I went with them is they have free shipping on every single order, which is, if you're asking me. Also, another big perk of ordering from them is, I think if you spend over $10, maybe it's $12, you get a free seed pack. You don't get to decide what seed you get for free, but it's like a random gift, and you open your order and there's a free seed pack, and it's awesome. Like, I have some spoon tomatoes that are growing on my deck right now that I got from here, and they are seeds that you could actually buy in here, but they just like set them for free. So sometimes you'll get lucky and you'll get something really awesome. So yes, with that being said, this was the number one thing that helped me achieve my goal. So what I did with this was I went through every single page of this magazine, catalog, whatever you want to call it. It looks like it's 526 pages. And I went through every single page of this. And I wrote down everything that was interesting to me. And then I went through over the winter, double checked some things, what I have in my basement from seed, and I started ordering things of importance. And you know, as you can see, I didn't order everything from my list. This was just like a everything thing. Looks super cool. I'm gonna write it down. Doesn't mean I have to buy it, but I'm gonna write down what I'm interested in. So, most seeds in this magazine are anywhere from $3 to like $4.50. So we're gonna average $3.50 per pack of seeds. And in every pack, you get like, I don't know, 10 to 20 to even 50 seeds. It just depends on the vegetable or flower or whatever it is that you order. That's what it depends on. So once we do all the math, I would have spent well over $890 to $900 at Home Depot or Walmart, Menards, Lowe's, any place like that, just this year alone in plants. And that's not super affordable for most people. So that's why I do this. That's why I've invited you guys to come along on this journey. But we can't forget, I do start these things from seed. I do have to buy the seeds. So I did add up how much I spent on seeds this year, and it was around $60. So I still saved well over $800 just this year alone.